Hello YouTube, I'm Jonah, and today's video, how to cut your PVC roofing panel on your pergola or your shelter. So this is the old roofing panel at my mother's house in our backyard pergola. So me and my brothers are replacing the old one and putting some new PVC panels. And this pergola slash shelter sits on top of her deck. These PVC panels come in 26 inches by 12 feet, and since we only need 10 feet, we have to cut off an extra 2 feet. They come in clear, blue, and smoke color. The only thing is the blue panel is actually transparent. When you buy these panels individually, they look very clear, but when you stack them on each other, it shows the blue color. They are very thin and kind of brittle when you cut them. So we try to figure out a few ways how to cut this panel so they don't fall apart on us. Hey, cutting a PVC panel over here. Yeah. We could use regular 10 snip. So we'll go nice and slow. Okay.
I'm holding Jonah's cell phone and my digital camera at the same time, so I'm multitasking. Right. But this goes on GG Jonah's DIYs. Make sure to check him out on his YouTube channel and on mine as well too. Jonah does a much better job on his DIYs. I do a half-ass.
This is the right-hand one. It's better than the straight one.
Yeah. I think, what is that, dull? Is that kind of dull, buddy, or?
No, it's just the, there's a right, there's a left, and there's a straight. Oh, okay. I need the straight one, which is better. Okay. So I would have to say that the 10 snip idea is a fail. The mouth of the 10 snip is very small. You need a wider area, and also very slow and difficult and awkward to maneuver.
Yep.
We'll switch to a sharp knife, utility knife.
Is it better?
Yeah, it's actually,
okay.
Cuts better. Whoa.
There we go.
Damn bees again.
Yeah, for some reason the bees are attracted to Jonah. I don't know what's up with that, but it must like the smell of his scent or something. Look at that with my mom was way too many flowers. Let's just put one up first, Jonah, and then.
Yeah, we'll do one at a time.
Yeah, and then
this is our test one.
Yeah, do a test one. Check them to see if there's any bees.
I'm getting paranoid with bees.
Alright, so definitely have a real difficult time.
You can shut off mine. I'll do it handling sharp metal.
Ready?
So don't get cut, yeah. It's more.
Like butter, baby. Butter bean.
Oh
my god.
You gotta be careful. Yeah, so if you're not careful, the panel is quite thin, so the PVC will tear off.
I'll hold on to it. Yeah, I was being a little too rough on it. That's why
It's gotta go slow.
Yeah.
And careful, because it does crack.
You think we bought enough, bro, or what? Okay.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah. And
Even if, you know, that broken one, we can put that one underneath to support to make it also. And
oh, that's a good idea.
you just put like a glue or some type of stuff.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, because you don't want to throw that anyway. It's just extra, right?
No.
Good idea.
We're not throwing those away, because flip it over the other side.
Okay, now I have to flip it. Okay.
Looks like the utility knife is a winner, but just remember to go slow, and also with your other hand hold the panel to stabilize it so it doesn't flop around.
Okay, so we're going to use the other one, okay, as a template. Okay.
Don't you need the screws though? You need the, oh, you want to get it tomorrow. What is a dollar store?
Okay, dollar scissor. Looks like the scissor is doing pretty good also. So we should have started with the scissor, but it seems like scissors better. Okay, yeah. Oh. Sweet.
Oh my God.
Well, it sure looks like a new scissor from the dollar store is a true winner. To see how fast it cut it? So definitely recommend scissors. And a big shout out to my younger brother Lardy. You can also check out his YouTube channel from the description below. And this is our old roof paneling and our new roof PVC paneling. So if you like my video and found it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching.